Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Start a Small Garden with Madonna. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to use marigolds to repel aphids in your vegetable garden. So let's get started. Here I have a marigold plant and I have aphid as well. So what I'm going to do, if you have, for example, marigold plants, you can just handpick some leaves, and then what I'm going to do is to crush it. You could also use marigold spray. You can make a steep, but this one is on the spot. You're just gonna crush it, and then especially if you have beans, since aphids love to suck or get the sap of your bean plant, so I'm going to put it where the stem is just starting. It's still very young, and then just producing baby beans or string beans. This is my string bean plants, so I just put it there where the corners are kind of like armpits of string bean stem are between leaves. You will see that after a while aphids will not gonna go there anymore. They will dislike the smell. And the reason why sometimes I do not put it together within the bed or inside my garden bed is that because marigolds, they can grow very large and they can steal those nutrients in other neighboring plants, so they'll be the one who become very healthy. So that's what I do. I do plant marigold in the perimeter of my garden, but less inside the garden bed. This way it's very helpful, because if you want to remove aphids on the spot, you just crush the leaves and then put it between the leaves or the branch, and the ants will not like it as well. And that's what I noticed. And then I went back again, and it's time for my harvest of string beans. I noticed that there's no more aphids there, and it really clears out, and I was able to harvest my string beans no problem. So there you go, guys. That's how I use marigolds to repel aphids in a vegetable garden. And let me know if, for example, you tried it. Have you tried marigold before? Please comment down below if you already tried it, and if you have any suggestions, please comment down below so we have some ideas to share. So thank you for watching, and if you haven't watched the video that I made previously about how to control pests naturally or without using chemicals, I'll leave the link below or here after this video. See you again next time. Bye!